Hey, it's Ross. Whether it's a creative request, order form, or event feedback, WorkForms makes streamlining requests and data collection easy. We'll use an event management example for this video, say collecting registrations for an upcoming client conference, but everything you'll see works for any team and process. We can add a form to an existing board from the Views menu, but for this one, let's start fresh. When you create a new form, you'll now notice an option to build with AI. Just describe what you need. For example, a form to collect event registrations and vendor details. And AI builds the structure for you automatically. Want to tweak things? Simply tell AI the changes you want to make. Once you've got the right layout, click Confirm. Alright, for more hands-on customization, head to the Edit view. You can add more questions from the Content menu, and each question is mapped on the related board with columns, so question types match column types. And any column added to the board after the form was made can in turn be added to the form from this section too. And from there, reorder questions to fit your event workflow. Okay, click the Settings menu on any question to make it required, or keep it internal for board-only visibility. Need a quick baseline for certain answers? WorkForms offer pre-fill URL parameters for a more personalized experience on our Pro and above tiers, and account-level pre-fills for Enterprise. Something cool? Make your forms smarter by adding conditional logic. This will show or hide questions based on earlier answers. For example, if someone selects vendor, new questions appear for booth requirements and power setup. And if they choose attendee, it'll show session preferences instead. Let's see that in action. Easy. Let's make some final tweaks here. Add a custom background color, include your logo for the header, and switch up the font to make your brand's identity shine. And the updated settings page now gives you even more control. Set response limits, schedule a close date, and with AI, translate your form to over 20 languages. You can even allow users to view their submissions or make edits after they've completed. And if you manage multiple forms, form tags help track where submissions come from and gather campaign data. When your form's ready, grab the shareable link, or generate a QR code or embed code for your website. You can even shorten the URL or password protect the form for an extra layer of control. Once responses are submitted, fully populated items appear on your connected board instantly. And for data lovers, the Results tab gives you a breakdown of every submission by question, or a high-level summary with insights like user location, browser, and device type. And what's more, easily visualize data from your forms on a Monday dashboard and connect things to the larger picture. Want to take things up a notch? Harness the power of automations to level up your work forms. You can notify a user once a form is submitted, or start time tracking the moment a response hits your board, perfect for managing SLAs. And that's it. From collecting information to automating insights, WorkForms turn meaningful data into actionable items. That's all for now. Click here for more tutorials on Monday.com.